Hi there, welcome to Die Hard 29. My name is Satin, and in this video we are going to learn how to how to change associated AdSense account to any YouTube channel. And at some point in time you would need to learn this for sure, because every YouTuber in his YouTube journey creates multiple YouTube accounts and multiple AdSense accounts, and later on we all realizes that we need to change these AdSense accounts which are associated with our YouTube channels due to various reasons. There may be a reason that we only want to keep one AdSense account which is associated to all of our YouTube channels, or there could be a different strategy that we want different AdSense accounts associated with different YouTube channels. There could be any reason behind this. Now, without wasting any more time, let's just learn how to do it. So, as you know, we are going to learn this step by step just to make it easy to remember. And so the first step would be quite simple. Log in into your YouTube account and click on the channel logo, channel icon, which is on the extreme right side top on your browser. Then after you click on the channel logo or channel icon, click on the settings option. After that, once you click on settings, on the next page you will see view additional features. So the third step would be click on view additional features. Fourth step, after you click on view additional features, you need to click on monetization, which is under channel icon or channel option. You will find the channel option. Below that you will find monetization. Now after that, the fifth step would be click on associated AdSense account, which is under AdSense requested. Once you click on that, you will find there's an option which says change. So the final step would be click on change. After that, you will be able to change your AdSense account to the one which you want. It sounds quite simple, but trust me, when we need this information, we have to spend a lot of time researching on this. What's the right path? How do we do it? So at any point in time, if you need this information, you can just refer to my video and you can get this information from. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and most important, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, as I am working on a lot of topics related to YouTube, and you can see this in my upcoming video. But for that you need to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications. These topics which I am working on right now will help you manage your YouTube channel, and it'll help you to an extent to grow your channel as well, because right now I'm only working on YouTube. Specifically, the subject which I have chosen for my channel is YouTube as of now. So you will get great content, great information going further. So keep watching Die Hard 29. See you.